ಸರ್ವೇ ಜನ ಸುಖಿನೋ ಭವಂತು, ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸಮಂಗಳಾನಿ ಭವಂತು, ಧರ್ಮೋ ರಕ್ಷತಿ ರಕ್ಷಿತಃ. ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಸೀನರಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರು, ಈ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಮಿಸಿರುವಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗಣ್ಯರಿಗೂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಗುರುಗಳಿಗೂ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮಸ್ತ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ, ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಮಿತ್ರರಿಗೂ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. A hearty welcome to each one present here. The very index of the page says it's an integrated text-cum workbook with digital pages. It's a bilingual textbook. I think the way I read the Kannada initial lines tells you that I am not a Kannada fluent speaker. The very struggle I went through in learning Kannada language in my childhood days, and the fear which comes with a student when the child has to learn something and which he or she just does not know what to do because they just don't know how to read or write. I can completely feel the pain because I was one among them. Believe me, parents and my dear friends, Kannada was a nightmare for me. I would literally hide behind the teachers in the classroom so that they don't look at me and ask me to stand up to speak up. I would wish to speak bilingually Kannada as well as English in my speech today. This is a foundation book, as we all been talking from the beginning. ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, why did I write this book, what made me write this book, I would like to brief in 2 minutes. As a mentor, we used to work a lot on worksheets at my school in my teaching days and all. Then we would see that wonderful progress in children. We had designed the book at our school only for our children, our school children. Our consultant, Sumati ma'am, when she would come for consulting, she just saw and she was just amazed and she just mentioned, Sugandhini, you people are doing wonderful job at school. Why don't you make it a copies and give it to all the schools? But I was not really for it. I just told ma'am, no. This should only be available in our school so that parents will know that there is something wonderful education happening in so and so school and the school will have a wonderful academic growth at school. Then she said, they will anyway come to you. But just imagine if you put it in a form of a publications and send it across to all the schools when it reaches 1,000 lakhs of students and when they can enhance their foundation, how much of meaningful difference you will be making it to the society. At the same time, our Honorable Chairperson Satish H.R. Reddy sir also encouraged, telling that yes, I think you should think about it seriously. That was one thought that day. I started brainstorming that yes, why don't I think about it seriously, and I started my journey 3 years ago. And step by step, today the book is in your hand. Before I tell you people what is in this book all about, I would also want to tell that what makes a wonderful school and how can we build education beautifully. I am a mentor all through my life. I can tell you, right from the young age, as you've been seeing, I have seen different stages, wonderful coaches, wonderful mentors. Every stage of my life, I have learned several things. When I see teachers along with me, under me, when I tell them, teachers, this is how you have to teach. They say, we honestly have wonderful teachers. But then, what matters is, what is the system we are giving them at this school? In a nutshell, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಟೀಚರ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೋ ಅವ್ರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಹೊಸದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. 99% no. Unless the management and the heads there are really involved and they structure a specific curriculum for children. Oh, I'm really fumbling. I just want to say that the way I have seen children struggling in Kannada to pronounce properly, we just start giving them right letter by letter, but at the very later stage of life. Probably we start UKG or first standard. But the early childhood years are very, very precious. As I've understood what is early childhood education, 3ರಿಂದ 6 ವರ್ಷವರೆಗೆ ಈಗ ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀವಿ ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ವಿ ಆಲ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಇನ್ ಪ್ರಾವರ್ಬ್ಸ್, ಗಾದೆ ಮಾತು ಅಲ್ವಾ, 3 ವರ್ಷ 100 ವರ್ಷವರೆಗೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. 3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿರೋದು ಮಕ್ಕಳು 100 ವರ್ಷ ಆದ್ರೂ ಮರೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಅಟ್ ಒನ್ಸ್. ಯು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದೆಮ್ ದಿ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಇವೆನ್ಚುಲಿ. ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ನರ್ಸರಿಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅಕ್ಷರದ್ದು ಡೀಟೇಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. So I will not be going in detail of the text what is given in the book, because that would become kind of a workshop. I just want you all to understand the foundation is very important. How we understand that ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಬುನಾದಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಮಯ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಖಂಡಿತ there are many engineers and all, I think everybody understand. ಬುನಾದಿ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟು ಕಾಲಾವಕಾಶ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, because you know very well if you compromise on the time duration of the foundation of your building, it will definitely collapse one day and you will never want to take a chance. Then why should we not think seriously about the foundation of young children? ಸಹಜವಾಗಿ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರೋ ಈ 18 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಕಿಂಡರ್ ಗಾರ್ಟನ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲು ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಣ, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ 3 years is that they just look into safety. I completely respect it. Safety is very important. At the same time, you should also know when your child is going somewhere, ಒಂದು ಕಡೆ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲಿತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ. What is the child learning? See, it is not only academics. Kindergarten children is all about awareness. Children at 3 to 6 years of age, they have ability of learning 6 languages parallelly. It is a research-based theory, what I have understood and studied, and mainly it has to be focused on multiple intelligence theory given by Howard Gardner, because children, we have different kinds of learners. So ella learners na drishtiyalli itkondu, see, some children are auditory very good, some need visual learning, some learn by practice. So all those things come into LSRW skills. So ಆ LSRW skills ನ ಮೇನ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾವು ಗಮನದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮೀ, ಲೇಖಕರು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಇದ್ರ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇದ್ರ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಡೆವಲಪ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ರೀಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಲಿ, ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ, I mean when you take a book or when you take a look at the book, the names are mentioned in the acknowledgement page. All those people who have helped. At the same time, our honorable executive director of the publication, Boyapati sir, was our last milestone to complete this book. I dedicate this final thing to sir, telling that the proofreading of the book was done by him. Definitely when you do something, you need somebody above you to correct it. So I would want to thank you sir for helping us to do this final proofreading with us at the same time. And also my husband, also an executive director of publication, thanks to him. I am really happy to have a supportive life partner. And not to leave my mother who is seated here. Every day she is only worried about whether you have eaten or no. That is one thing she asks, and I think as you understand, it's only the first thing mother always asks, "Uta madidya?" That is the first thing, and I think you all agree. I am blessed to have a mother like her, supportive from the young age. I also have my sibling, my brother here, and my sister also, who are there with me all through, and my family members, everybody, to come into this picture. So I dedicate this book to my parents, my father who is heavenly abode. He is also here with us today. So thank you for each one of you for making this event a successful one. It's of foundation education, and I would want to mention here, this book is mainly for the institutions, and all the institutions, whoever take this book, I am personally with the mentor. I will have an in-person training for them, also virtually, so that they understand how this foundation has to be taught. So it is not just, I have not done this book to sell the book. It is, see, ಇವಾಗ ನಾನು ಈ ಪುಸ್ತಕನ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ, that is, there doesn't end my job. My job begins then when actually I can connect thousands of Kannada teachers, make them understand how the Kannada has to be taught for the early childhood children. And when this curriculum is used from first to second standard, and in the end of second standard when children start writing independently, I think only then I can tell myself I am an author. But today maybe that is written lekakaru, but I can only tell after 5 years that I am an author of this Kannada book. Thank you so much for giving me precious time. Thank you for all the dedication.